Hi everybody, we're back with more Revit training, and we're going to go into our erection drawings, and these are the finished products. Well, I got a few details in here, like we got our plates, but we can pick them up in the partial plan view. So we got the partial plan view of the bottom and of the top here. Okay, now, and that's basically coming from this side. So now on this west elevation, you got to tackle this a little differently, and I'm going to show you that here now. So I placed this elevation here, and I'll double click it, and that's kind of what we want to see. Then I'm going to place another one. I don't know, we can get away with one or two here, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to place another framing elevation here. Normally these should be from the inside, because what you're actually looking at is the inside frame, but we want to see these from the outside. I'm going to drop one maybe here, and another one just there. Now the good thing about these, we can make these adjustments either here or on the, okay, now let's see here. Now we need to click this one and fix this one. The limits are way out there. We don't need them out that far. They kind of got to be there to there. Uh-oh. What's going on here? There we go. I'm going to undo those two. That one. Just take them one at a time. That's probably the best way to handle these guys. So I got this one in. And there's our limits. So we just hit the dot and pull this one back to there. And this one's going to go right about there. And so here in our first elevation, if I click it, you'll see that we're going from there to about there, right there. So that's good. So I want to open this view up here. Okay, now I'm going to go into a new sheet. And here in the project browser, I'm going to go to my views. And I'm going to find that view. Where is it? There it is right there. So take this one and pull him in. Yep, that's the one we want. I want to activate the view here. By the way, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Helps me create these videos. A little support here. I'm going to make this 1/4" scale. I'm going to deactivate it and move it right about here. I should have aligned these sheets so they could match up. Put that one right there. And I'm going to drag this over here. Now we want to go in and now change this to wireframe like we did before, because we want to see the reinforcement. So I'm going to activate this view. And I'm going to turn on wireframe, fine wireframe, of course. And then we'll have our wireframe. So there's our reinforcement, and there's our base plate. So now we want to get the bottom. Okay, now this is where we're going to get a little different, and I want you to watch very closely here. So I'm going to go back into my embedment plan. There it is. And here I want to do a partial plan through here. Just like we've done before. Just take it, let's take it, say, from here up to, let's go to here, for instance. Okay, now we got that guy in there. And let's go back to our sheet. And now we want to bring that partial plan into here. Okay, so if I go to the embedment drawing, is this structure? Yep. And this was here, it's this one. So just drag and drop this guy in here. Okay. We're there, change the scale. it's going to be a 1/4 inch. Now this is the difference here. So obviously we don't want it that way, so we got to rotate this one. I'm going to deactivate this for a minute. I'm going to reactivate it, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to activate this view, and then I want to go into my modify tab and hit rotate, and then select this view. Okay, wait a second here. Okay, I want to place a point here, and then I want to rotate it. So I'm going to just go from get a point here. You can rotate this by point, but I'm going to just do it this way, and I'm going to go 90. Just keying 90 degrees here, and there's our view. So I'll just stretch this out like so. Okay, now as you can see, we're going the wrong direction here because we want these to line up. So I'm going to undo that back. Well, actually, I can just rotate it right here, I think. No, let's just take it started over. Okay. Well, I thought we went the right way. Apparently we didn't. So I'm going to select this guy. I want to activate this view. It's already activated. And I want to go and rotate. Hit the rotate command. I'm going to place a point. Well, I'll do center point here. And that's the center. And I want to say 90. Let's just key in 90. Now, I think we got it. Did we get it that time? Yes. So that's where this was going to work out to. So I'm going to just push this up here. Now you can do the rest of these. I'm going to do the rest of mine. I just ran into that, and I want to show you guys how to do it. And I'll do the top one, and then you can do the rest of the building. So I'm going to move this guy here. So we actually rotated a view here. Okay. Man, these things get on my nerves. But anyway, guys, start from the beginning of the series. We'll take you through the whole project. And now here, you've got our 2 doors, our opening, our plates there, and plan view. Now let's go get the top. Okay, and that's going to be in my roof. Where is that? Move this out of the way. There it is. Oh, we already got it cut. Really? Okay, so you open that one up. Oh no, that's from the base. Is that the base? Yes, that's the base. So actually, you go to my roof. There it is. And that's okay. That's the one we're in now. So I'm gonna go back into the plan, the sheet drawing here, and I'm gonna go get that roof. I think it's that one. Nope, it's not that one. It's the call out. It's this one. And we'll do the same thing with that one. We'll select it here. I'm going to activate this view. I'm going to rotate it. So I'm just going to do these through here. Rotate here. Go in here, and let's try this. Let's do a center. Let's do is place a center point, say here, and then I'm going to rotate it from here to 90, and then just drag the extents out to this and this. Okay, we got it wrong again. As you can see, this should be the other direction. So I'm going to just do that right here. I'm going to go here. I'm going to activate this view again. Deactivate. I'm going to activate it now. And I'm going to go in here and I'll hit the rotate command. And I'm going to rotate it about here. Uh-oh. Just key in 90 there. Come on. I was just thinking like that. Okay, did I get it? Uh-oh, hope I don't get a crash here, because that's doing a lot of thinking. Okay, I'm going to cancel that, and I'm going to redo it. Didn't rotate. Actually, I'm going to just undo it back. It doesn't like doing it that way, so I'm just push this back here, and I'm going to go all the way back to here, and then I'm going to, is it activated? Yep, I'm going to select this, I'm going to rotate. I'm going to rotate the entire view. Let's just go from right here and hit 90. Uh-oh. This can get a little tricky, but it's done. It's doable. I'm going to cancel that again, so I'm going to go here, activate, rotate this view. So I'm going to go select and just place a center point here. Go 90. That should do it, I think. Or did we get it right this time? I hope so. No, we didn't. Yes, we did. Okay, so that's how you do that, guys. I'm going to leave it there. Actually, we got the wrong scale going on here. Activate this view. I'm going to undo this back a little bit. Again, thanks for watching the video. I'm going to leave it there. And I will see you guys in the next video. Everybody be safe. I'm going to get that guy here. Just put that up there. Change the scale to 1/4. Just adjust these, make these adjustments here. That should be A. Uh-oh, we're wrong again. Or should I just, oh yeah, here we go. Nope, we got it wrong again. So let me do this one more time. Sorry, folks. I'm going to activate this view again. I'm going to rotate it 180 now. Rotate here. Just do a full 180. There we go. So that's C and C, right? Okay. So that's how you rotate a view in Revit for your erection drawing elevations. So again, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to finish these off. Everybody be safe. Please subscribe. So that's how that works. So I'm going to doctor the rest of these up. As you can see, we got them going pretty good here. You're going to line that up there. Come on now. I think these work pretty good. Like I said, some companies will do this. Some have other ways to do it. They might just have one direction of drawing, and you know, they just got different ways of doing this. But this is how I've done it at some firms that I work for. There's our center point right there, and there's our. Doesn't look like that's lining up. Nope. There it is. Okay, guys. I'm gonna leave it there. Everybody be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. So these are how you do our erection drawings for our vertical elevations and vertical plan drawings. So you just rotated the view across. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Be subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe. Bye.